Dear learners, welcome to this presentation on cold compression method. This method is used for the preparation of suppository. After watching this video, the learners will be able to understand the construction and working of cold compression machine. Now let us study the cold compression method. This method is useful for thermolabile and insoluble drugs because heating and stirring of the base with medicament is not required. The various steps involved in this method are. Now let us see the different steps involved. First step is the cocoa butter is grated. Next, the ingredients are mixed with an equal quantity of grated cocoa butter. After that, add the remaining amount of grated cocoa butter. Here, one thing we have to remember while calculating the amount of cocoa butter to be incorporated with the medicaments, the allowances are made for unavoidable wastage during the preparation. After that, the compression of the prepared mass is done on hand or power operated compression machines. After that, the prepared mass is placed in a cylinder which is represented by the symbol C and forced through a narrow opening which is represented by the symbol O. After it is forced through a narrow opening by means of a piston which is represented by symbol P into the mold which is represented by G are compressed until a homogeneous fused mass is formed. On the removal of retaining stop plate which is represented by symbol S, the suppositories are ejected by further pressure. Now let us see the diagram of cold compression machine. As we have seen, it consists of a cylinder which is represented by symbol C to which a piston is attached. The prepared mass is placed at the center of the cylinder. The molds are placed and above mold the stop plates are placed and near the molds there are narrow opening is present. Now after the prepared mass is placed in the cylinder by application of pressure by the piston, the prepared mass passes through the narrow openings and through narrow openings it passes into the mold. In the mold, the mass gets desired shape of suppositories are prepared and removing the stop plates after removing the stop plate and further application of pressure by the piston, the suppositories are ejected. The molds are of different sizes and contains several cavities. The mass and the compression cylinder of the machine may be chilled to prevent heat of compression from making the mass too fluid. This method is not suitable for suppositories in which glycerol gelatin base or any other base in which melting is essential for its preparation. Thank you for your patience listening. If you like this video, press like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your patience listening. Keep learning.